Hello students, today we will discuss the topic power transmission or study of power transmission. So first of all, what is transmission? What is transmission? So the mechanism that transmits power developed by the engine of the automobile to the from the engine to the driving wheels is called as transmission, and this system is called as the transmission system. So here the mechanism that transmits the power developed by the engine of the automobile to the driving wheels, that is the rear wheels, is called as the transmission, and this system is called transmission system. So this system is used to transmit the engine torque to the driving wheels to drive the vehicle on the road. So in simple terms, this system transmits the engine torque to the driving wheels. This system transmits the engine torque to the driving wheels to drive the vehicle on the road. So why do we need the transmission system? So we have understood what is the transmission system and what the transmission system does. So why do we need this transmission system in the automobile? So need for transmission system. So this transmission system provides the means of connection as well as disconnection of the engine with the rest of the powertrain without shock and smoothly. So this transmission system is provides the means of connection and disconnection of engine with the rest of powertrain without shock and smoothly. So it is providing the connection without shock and smoothly. Then need for transmission system. Then this power transmission system enables power transmission at varied angles and varied lengths. So it enables power transmission at varied angles and varied lengths. So you can transmit the power at any angles as well as up to longer lengths. So they provide the means to drive the driving wheels at different speeds when required. So you can change the speed by controlling the power transmission. So provide means to drive the driving wheels at different speeds when required. Then provides a varied leverage between the engine and the drive wheels. So we can differentiate the engine from the drive wheels, and this varied leverage is provided by the power transmission system and the drive wheels. So the transmission provides neutral position so that the engine and the road wheels are disconnected. So engine is in running condition but power is not transmitted to the wheel. So here I have told you how the transmission system provides means of connection and disconnection. So when when the vehicle is put on the neutral position, the transmission of power is cut off so that the engine is disconnected from the road wheels. Even when the engine is running, the wheels are not working. So the transmission provides a neutral position so that the engine and road wheels are disconnected. So engine is in running condition but power is not transmitted to the wheels. So in the reverse condition or reversing condition, this transmission system transmits power from the engine to the wheels. So in reverse condition, to transmit, the function of them is to need for them is to transmit the power. Need for the transmission system is to transmit the power from engine to wheels. So what are the different parts of this transmission system? So parts of the transmission system. what are the different parts of the system? The first one is the engine. The second is the flywheel. The third is the clutch. Then there is the gearbox, or it is also called as transmission box. Then there is the universal joint. Then there is the propeller shaft, or it is also called as the drive shaft. Then there is the differential gearbox. Then there is the rear wheel axle, and there are the rear wheels. So now we will discuss the components of this transmission system one by one in the next video. So I hope you have understood what is the transmission system, what is the need for transmission system, and also what are the different parts of the transmission system.